An important step in working with the LiDAR data is to be able to visualize the data for assessment, measurements, evaluation, and inspection. Microdrones designed that step in a way that serves the community at its best, using standard formats to mainly tackle the GIS user community and the CAD environments.
So here you have the farm building. You can see some vegetation. So here you have the point cloud of the farm building in a 2D view.
Without the bore site calibration, you will see some misalignment between the two strips. And if you look at the after, you will see that those two lines now are one line after we did the bore site calibration. You calibrate your system properly, you end up with consistent and repeatably accurate mapping product.